Hello everyone, today we would like to review our built-in waterproof TVs from the company AVEL, model AVS240SM, and we will start with unpacking. Televisions are packed in a dense cardboard box. The box has all the necessary information. This is the model and color of the TV and the address of production. Additionally, the TV is packed in a dense foam material that protects it from any impact during transportation. Such packaging was not just chosen at random. AVEL TVs are in demand all over the world. We supply televisions in Europe and Asia, in America and Australia. The package includes a TV box with the necessary screws and screws for the assembly, 2 remote controls, one waterproof that comes with a stand that can be mounted on the wall, and a second remote control in premium design. The power supply, the power cord, AV cable with RCA mini jack connectors, TV and wiring box, warranty card, user manual and installation. The TV comes in 2 colors. It is a TV with a fully mirrored front panel and a TV with a white frame. The front panel of the TV is made of safety tempered glass. Additionally, on the TV with a white frame on the front panel are touch control buttons. On the model with a fully mirror coating, in order to preserve the aesthetic beauty, these buttons are not there. These TVs fit perfectly into the interior of any room, and due to the IPX4 protection standard, they can be embedded in a bathroom wall or in an apron in the kitchen without worrying that the water will get into the TV. The TV AVS240SM has a high quality matrix installed with a screen diagonal of 23.8 inches with a high resolution of Full HD. Wide viewing angles of 178 degrees will allow you to view the image from any point. Depending on the country of delivery, an analog or a digital tuner is installed in the TV, and a CL Plus slot will provide an opportunity to connect paid channels. Also, on the TV there are 2 HDMI inputs to which you can connect, and set-top box or player, an IR connector for controlling connected devices, a connector for connecting a satellite dish, 2 USB inputs for connecting external storage media. Built-in media player supports most photo and video and audio formats. All interfaces located under a special cover that reliably protects the connectors from moisture due to the protective material located along the edges. The TV is equipped with built-in vibration speakers, so installing additional speakers is not necessary. The speakers are located behind the glass and provide clean and high-quality sound, while remaining completely invisible to the eyes. You can find the instructions of how to install the TV in our short video guides, links to which are over here and in the description of the video. If this video was useful to you, drop a like and ask any questions in the comments down below if you have them, and we will promptly answer them. Goodbye.